All right, what's happening, guys? This is a quick demo of what MoveUp system looks like digitally for an applicant when they go through our squeeze funnel. And this is how we collect data, clues, information, so that way we can vet and screen candidates to be able to get the best people in front of you. So they're going to land on this landing page, which is going to prompt them to go through a multi-step logic survey. And so I'm going to run through this pretty quickly. This is the only written I'm just going to put gibberish in here. There's a minimum of 50 characters that someone has to put into that, but it's the only written response that they'll do. And the rest of the survey is going to be image choice or multiple option questions. And so everything's visual. It's very easy to go through. And it's pretty much going to hit on anything that you need to vet and screen up front with applicants. And so this generally will take someone maybe two minutes, maybe a little less, and they can get through this. And like I said, this is collecting and harvesting just lots of info about what the caliber of the individual is like. A lot of the questions they have, the answer choices are on shuffle, which allows there to not be bias, very important. And at the end, you'll notice that's when we collect info. So we don't want to harvest personal info until we get further into the process. If they qualify from the logic survey, they then get to go to the video resume section. And this is a completely branded part of the funnel where they're going to upload a 1 to 2 minute video. And so it's going to look like this. If they qualify, you'll hit let's go. Why should we hire you? It's one prompted question. We tell candidates, hey, you don't need to be dressed up for this. You don't need to have anything fancy on. And so they'll open up the video recorder. They'll record their video basically just selfie style. And then they'll shoot it. Boom, here I am. They'll punch in their name and email so that way the video attaches to them. All done. And then they'll prompt them to self-schedule their own interview. Okay. So then they would come in and they'd select a time. They'd punch in their info for the interview. This is a test. And then they would schedule a meeting. Okay, so once they schedule, it's then going to prompt them for an ID upload. At this point, it auto-fills in their info. They'd click this, it would upload. They would just take a picture of their photo ID, hit submit, and then it'll give them a confirmation page with where they need to go to. So that's just a quick view of what our funnel looks like when we screen and vet movers and drivers and really any type of job candidates.